In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to randomize slides in Google Slides using the Slides Randomizer add-on. This is a handy tool if you want to add a bit of dynamism to your presentation, making sure that each viewing experience can be unique. Let's get started. First things first, you need to install the add-on. To do this, open your Google Slides presentation that you wish to shuffle. At the top of your screen, you'll see the menu bar. Click on Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons from the drop-down menu. This will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can search for the add-on you need. Type Slides Randomizer into the search bar. You may also see Slides Huffler as an option. Both are designed for similar purposes. Once you find Slides Randomizer, click Install. You'll be prompted to follow a few instructions to grant the necessary permissions for the add-on to work with your slides. This usually involves giving it access to your Google Slides and Google Drive files. Don't worry, this is a standard step, and once you've accepted the permissions, the add-on will be installed. Now, let's move on to randomizing your slides. Head back to the Add-ons menu where you'll find the freshly installed Slides Randomizer. Hover over it, and you will see the option to Randomize Presentation. Click on this, and a prompt will appear, asking whether you want to keep your first slide fixed. This is typically your title slide, and it's entirely up to you whether you want it to be shuffled with the rest or not. Select Yes to keep it as is, or No if you want everything randomized. Once you make that choice, the add-on will work its magic and shuffle your slides. It's important to note that this shuffling happens in real time. So, if your presentation is shared with others, the shuffled order will be reflected on all devices immediately. This feature is particularly useful if you're collaborating with others or presenting remotely. One important consideration to keep in mind is that only the user who installed the add-on can shuffle the slides. If, for example, you're a teacher and want your students to be able to randomly shuffle their presentations, they'll each need to install the add-on themselves. However, be aware that some school districts might restrict the ability to install add-ons on student accounts. It's always a good idea to check with your IT department if you're unsure about these permissions. And there you have it. You've learned how to easily randomize slides in Google Slides, adding an element of surprise and interactivity to your presentations. Whether for quizzes, classroom activities, or to simply add variety, this tool can be very effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy presenting!